Do you need to move out right now? Like right now? Don't panic. Here's how to pull off a last-minute move with your sanity intact. First, book a truck. The sooner the better, before they all get snatched up or super expensive. Next, it's time to get brutal. The best way to cut back on packing time is to have less stuff to pack. This means getting rid of things you just don't need to take with you. As you're going through everything, ask yourself, does this have a real purpose? Does it bring long-term joy? Does it actually get used? If the answers are no, donate what you can and trash the rest. Find the least hoarding inclined person in the home and put them in charge of this. It really will help. With the stuff that remains, put out a call to friends and family for packing help. As incentive, you can offer an all-you-can-eat and drink buffet of what's in your kitchen. A lot of food is difficult to transport, so it's easier to use it up before you leave. As you're packing, don't organize. The time for that is past. Now is the time to just get stuff in boxes. You can save yourself a little future confusion by labeling boxes by room, but don't bother getting any more meticulous than that. Set aside one large box in a central area. This is your final box. Don't close it or load it until absolutely everything else has been loaded first. Fill it as you go with the odds and ends you'll inevitably find as you finish up. Make yourself a go bag with basic living essentials so that you don't have to search through everything day one. Fill the bag with things like medications, toiletries, chargers, a spare set of clothes, and any important paperwork. Once all that is set, contact the utility companies to make sure the water, power, gas, etc. are ready to go at the new place. Then, contact anyone who will need your new address to mail important papers, like your home insurance, your bank, utility companies, and of course the post office itself. To really save time on the move, hire professional movers. Not only can they turn a whole day of loading and unloading into a quick couple of hours, but they're surprisingly affordable. Check out HireAHelper.com to find quality movers near you who take last minute and sometimes even same-day move requests. For some tips on how to save money on your move, check out our other video. And if this was helpful, give a like and follow for more moving advice.